In this video, I will show you a few methods on how to fix Discord when it doesn't open on your computer. The first method is to clear cache. Go to the search bar and type run. Select run. Then make sure this line says %app data %. Click on OK. A new folder will pop up. Here, you want to locate your Discord folder. Then, find these 3 folders: cache, code cache, and GPU cache. You want to delete all 3 folders. Don't worry, the folders will regenerate again after you delete them. If you try to delete cache and it says folder in use, then you just need to close your Discord app. Press Ctrl plus Alternate plus Delete buttons simultaneously to open the taskbar. Then find Discord, right-click it, and end task. When you go back to the folder, you can now delete the cache file by clicking Try Again, then followed by Code Cache and GPU Cache. The second method is to scan the folders for corrupted or missing files. Go on the search bar and type in CMD. The command prompt option will show. Right-click and run as administrator. From there, type sfc spacebar/scan now and hit enter. This will prompt Windows to scan the computer for corrupted or missing files. Wait for this to finish and see if this fixes the Discord issue. The third method is to run Discord as an administrator. To do that, locate your Discord app icon on your desktop. Then right-click and select Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab and check the boxes Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run Program as an Administrator. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes to see if that solves the problem. Also ensure that your firewall is not preventing Discord from opening. To do that, type Windows Defender Firewall and select this option. From there, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. On the menu, make sure Change Settings is already clicked. Next, we need the Discord file location. To find that, go to your Discord app on your desktop and right-click it. Select the Open File Location option. Left-click on the URL bar and copy the file location. Now go back to the firewall and select the Allow Another App button. Click on the Browse button and paste the file location on the URL bar by left-clicking the open space, pasting it there and hit Enter. Then, select the update file and click Open. Click on Add and make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Then click on OK. See if this solves the problem. If not, you will have to reinstall Discord again.